Good morning, adventurers.
Good morning.
From Canggu here in Bali.
We are back.
Yeah.
In Canggu.
So we actually took like a week off because honestly, you guys, we needed to just sit and edit some stuff and just basically work. We say a week off, but it was a week of actually like laptop time.
In cafes, like typing away,
and just eating
away.
some local food without having to film it. But now we're back, we're recharged, and we're ready to make more videos for you guys.
I think we found maybe the best villa in the entire world.
Maybe the entire world is a stretch, but possibly the best villa in Bali.
In all of Bali. It is certified bananas, you guys. All right, let's go take a tour.
Was that?
Welcome to our room. Believe it or not, this is the smallest room in the entire villa. So as you can see, we have this enormous bed. I think it's king size. And then we have this epic closet. We tried to tidy up a little bit, but it's still a little dirty. And then look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. These tiles remind me of when we were in Mexico. We stayed in some amazing villas and they had these tiles. I guess they're from the Yucatan Peninsula. It's so pretty and classy. And then this big concrete sink. Oh my gosh.
If you're wondering why everything looks extra wide, it's because Craig from Keying It and Amy let me borrow their lens. And they have a super wide lens, so you get to see all the background instead of this nice tight shot on our faces.
And we'll probably give it back at the end of the day. Maybe.
Probably not. This is our lens now.
I don't think anyone's in here. This is Josh and Ashley's room. This villa used to actually be a family home, and this must have been one of the children's rooms because there's a lot of like little books and toys in here, but it's so fun and playful.
Y'all, I'm so jealous of the kids who lived here before they started renting it out to people like us. They have like their names written all over everything. They have all these awesome little play spaces, this like custom rainbow theme over here.
I can't imagine growing up in an amazing space like this.
Yeah, it's very creative.
Yes, exactly.
This is one of the coolest bathrooms in the place. Check it out. It's not as big as the other ones, but it's just so cool and solid feeling. And this tub is amazing. Look at this. It's like solid block of concrete.
It's all concrete. This is my dream, to have a house with a bunch of concrete in it and then like badass tiles. Oh yeah. And it just opens.
Yeah, it opens up
outside
to all this greenery, and it's so nice.
It's your own jungle bathroom.
Yeah, and it's so private too, yet open. This room is actually connected with the master bedroom, so this leads right into the master closet and bathroom. So this is the master bathroom. It is absolutely spectacular. It has this blue and black kind of vibe to it. Lots of concrete like the other bathrooms. Very, very well designed. But check this out. This is the bathtub and the shower area. So this is completely outdoor. You have this solid white tub over here. And then on the other side, this amazing outdoor shower. Isn't this cool? I actually only just saw this, and I was saying that other bathroom was my favorite. No, that one's cool. This one's my favorite. Yeah, this one is amazing.
I think if it just had a concrete tub, then it would be...
I like the white though. The white is pretty classy. Look at this. You can just like be among nature while you're doing your business.
Now everyone knows exactly what you look like doing your business.
Come on, into the master bedroom.
Ooh.
This room just might blow you away. It blew us away when we first saw it. So this is the master bedroom. It's got this really cool pastel-y, lightly colored wood vibe going on. It's very open. The whole thing just feels like a loft apartment, and it's really only one room in the house. They actually have a couple of these like I think these were parts, like salvage parts from old temples that were like hand carved in Java, I think the owner said. So these are amazingly sturdy, and the whole room you can see is kind of built around these temple fixtures. Very sweet.
So this place, I think, is pretty perfectly named La La Land. And I think we mentioned it used to be a family home, but now it's this amazing villa. And it's offered on this site that we just came across. It's called Eats and Retreats, and they have properties all over Asia that you can book. And we'll make sure and link down below so you can book this for your amazing Balinese adventure.
This place is so big, I have legitimately lost Allison. I have no idea where she is. Have you guys seen Allison? Did she come through here?
No idea. Haven't seen it.
Josh?
I'm right here! I bet you guys feel like you have a lot of egg on your face right now.
Okay.
But seriously, you guys, they have a bit of an obsession with eggs in here. Egg ashtray.
An egg, whatever this is. An egg toilet. An egg table, or something like that.
Whoa! An egg.
This is the entryway into the house. It is very cool and very inviting. You can see they have like this circular pool that this walkway sits on top of. And there's actually a guest house over here. Let's go take a look at it. So this beautiful space is the guest house, believe it or not. It's just like maybe 100 feet walk away from where the house is. But this whole space here could be, I mean, I could have a lot of fun just staying here, honestly. Everything is, again, the concrete theme. You have pure concrete floors, concrete stairs going up to this loft area. Overall, this place is just extremely well designed. It has a nice like wooden smell to it too. Do you smell that?
Oh yeah.
Just smells like old wood.
Like it must be the bamboo on the roofs.
Yeah.
This villa has currently 5 bedrooms. This is the 4th. There's someone staying next door, I think the nephew of the owner. So we'll just show you these 4 rooms. But in the future, apparently they're gonna have, I think, 11 total. So
Yeah,
imagine how many people you can bring to this amazing villa.
Yeah, their dream is to have like family gatherings, reunions, and like retreats for companies and for teams and
How
stuff like that.
cool.
And it would be the perfect space. I think they said they even have weddings here.
Oh, they do. You can rent it out for your wedding. Jeez, if
Yeah.
only we had known. We're 10 years too shy.
But the coolest thing about this place is that they have all of these really uniquely designed spaces, and it's been amazing just kind of going around and discovering it all. It's like every little nook and every little corner has its own kind of design theme. Some of them play into the egg thing, some of them kind of have their own kind of color scheme.
Yeah,
But it's been really nice, and
so unique.
yeah, it's been like an Instagrammer's paradise. Basically, everyone's just been running around getting a shot here, getting a shot there, and it's just been fun like doing all that and exploring it. It's a very cool space. Mm-hmm. The guest house also has its own pool. They call this the Circle Square pool for obvious reasons. But this is cool because this is super secluded and private. Very nice.
$100. I know what you guys are thinking. Yeah, they have all these cool rooms. They have like 2 pools, a huge kitchen, lounge area. But where is their movie theater? Oh, it's right here. It has this huge, epic, I guess, couch on the floor with, I kid you not, 19 pillows on there, I counted. It has this amazing view out to the pool, and the doors open on both sides so you can get a nice breeze in here at night, or there's an AC if you want to cheat like us. And they even have a projector for those nights when you just want to Netflix and chill.
There's still, believe it or not, more to see in this villa that we're staying in.
But we're so hungry.
We're starving. So we're gonna head out and grab some grub, and then we're gonna come right back and show off the rest of it and have a nice little evening.
Oh yeah.
We got Josh and Ashley up there.
What up?
Being cool. Today is like a holiday, so a bunch of places were closed, but we found one place that looks pretty cool, and it was open.
Chica?
There's like spice in the air though. Can you guys taste
yeah.
that?
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah. But we found this quaint little spot in the back for all of us. Yo, look at this cute little flat white that Josh got. Oh man, it's so adorable.
Flat white is basically a pretentious cappuccino. That's all it is.
I ordered the crispy chicken burger. Look how adorable this little thing is. And you can hear them frying it over there. It looks super crispy. So we have just a little bit of lettuce on the bottom, then the chicken burger, and then the top and bottom has, I think it's like a sweet sauce, like a mayo-y sauce. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
That is a good looking chunk of fried chicken right there.
And a nice little sesame bun. Pretty perfect. Oh yeah. Well, that is fried to perfection. It's a little sweet, super crispy. It is pretty much the best chicken burger, maybe ever.
This restaurant is called Jika. Is that how you pronounce it? Jika?
Yes.
Jika. All right. But we were all very satisfied with the food here. It was very delicious. Josh even wrote them a glowing review on Google. So if you look up this place on Google, you'll see his review.
All right.
Josh is instructing us for one final group photo before Craig and Amy leave. Oh, we're doing it now.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's one.
That's how you make that magic happen, y'all, right there.
All right.
Lovely to meet you guys as well.
You better survive the Mongol rally.
Lovely to meet you. Oh, we will. Yeah, the Mongol rally's going to be.
Oh yeah, good luck with that. We're already watching that from the safety of my chair.
Yeah.
We were just chilling at the pool and had to get the vlog edited, so we kind of went out of vlog mode, and I've just been sitting here editing for the last like few hours. But they actually will make dinner for you at this place. They'll go out and get all the stuff, and then for a small fee they'll kind of make the dinner for you, and it looks freaking good, you guys. We've got like some chicken sautés and some vegetables and potatoes over here, it looks like. Some more chicken over there.
And rice.
Yeah, and rice. Man, this is gonna be good. You guys excited?
Yes.
I'm hungry.
I'm so glad they made this for me. I'm shot on energy.
Yeah.
It was all that diving.
I know, man.
Also, they've got a Sonos sound system connected to the whole house. So I've got it set to play on the living room right now. You can control the whole thing from your phone. So we're about to be bumping some Post Malone up in here.
Oh yeah, there it goes. That's hilarious.
Hell yeah.
I'm sure.
This cat is actually the owner of the villa. You do whatever you want, don't you? You little chubster. Dinner was delicious. The house has gone quiet. It's cool that you can see like there's a really cool ambiance to the place because they have really excellent lighting. And also, I meant to show you guys this. This is one of my favorite things. This is actually like thick dowel rods that you can pull right out of here that are sitting on top of like a cushion.
It makes it actually like super comfy.
And I saw it and I was
moldable.
like, who would want to sit on a bunch of pieces of wood? But it's actually really cool and squishy.
Yeah.
Just kind of a cool piece. Isn't it neat? Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
These two are trying to get the TV up and running.
It is not cooperating. We have a projector, but we don't know how to do that. We're rebooting the Apple TV.
All right, look.
Hey, look at this.
We have Apple TV.
Now, let's see if Netflix works.
So we ended up getting the projector working after all. And we chilled in the little media room and watched a movie, and it was glorious.
I was pretty proud of us to figure that out. Actually, I had nothing to do
Yeah,
with
Josh
that.
figured it out, actually.
I just made us milk and cookies instead.
Yeah, which was also glorious. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this little tour. This is honestly the coolest, most amazing, well-designed, I think I've already said this, but most well-designed place we've ever been to. It's been inspirational
Like ever.
just walking
It's
around in it
amazing.
and chilling here, and it's just so well-designed and so cool. We're going to be sad to leave.
Yeah, but we still have a little more time here. So, again, huge thank you to La La Land and Eats and Retreats for having us here.
Yeah, we're going to have links to all this stuff in the description below.
Yeah.
So you can check it out.
So bring all your friends, come and stay here, get married here, do whatever you want,
Whatever you need to do it here.
do it here.
And by the way, if this is your first time to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button to let us know that you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this place specifically.
Yeah, and
also,
welcome.
yeah, welcome, and leave us a comment and tell us the coolest place that you've ever stayed.
Good night, adventurers.
We'll see you on the road.